Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to name organic compounds in chemistry. We'll start by understanding the fundamental principles of the IUPAC naming system. This system ensures clear communication among chemists worldwide. You'll learn how to identify the parent chain and recognize common functional groups, which are essential first steps. This guide will help you confidently name a wide variety of organic molecules. Next, let's focus on naming basic hydrocarbons: alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes. Alkanes are saturated, meaning they only have single carbon-carbon bonds. Alkenes contain at least one double bond, while alkynes have at least one triple bond. The number of carbons determines the prefix, like meth for 1 or eth for 2. Remember to number the carbon chain to give the multiple bond the lowest possible number. Now, we'll explore how to incorporate functional groups into compound names. These specific arrangements of atoms significantly influence a molecule's reactivity. For example, an alcohol group adds -anol suffix, while a carboxylic acid uses OIC acid. When multiple functional groups are present, one takes priority, and the others are named as substituents. This systematic approach ensures accurate and unambiguous naming. Finally, let's tackle more complex structures and the concept of isomers. For branch compounds, identify the longest continuous carbon chain first. Then, name and number any substituents, listing them alphabetically. Remember to use prefixes like D or tri for multiple identical substituents. Isomers, with identical molecular formulas but different structures, also follow specific naming conventions to distinguish them clearly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.